We've seen the desert, dry and bare, no promise lived, no green, no care. But then, a drop, a gentle fall, and life returned to answer the call. A few small tears from heaven's sky, and plants rose up where dust was dry. So too our town, once proud, once true, now longs for hands and to build anew. Not crowds, not noise, not grand campaigns, just hearts that care, like quiet rains. If we, the few, choose not to wait, but act with love, not leave to fate, then we shall bloom, then we shall rise and paint once more our sunlit skies. Be the drop, the spark, the start, the light that heal a weathered heart. Be the rain, a message from those who still believe.